This is the M4 iPad Pro, 11-inch, 256 gigabytes, Wi-Fi plus cellular, black. Like I said, when it comes to the M4 iPad Pro, I like making beats on GarageBand. It's cool. I mess around with the loops, chop them up. Nothing too serious. But that's just one of the reasons why I love this iPad. Like, there's no lag when it comes to me making beats or with the playback or anything like that. Like, everything is in sync, and I like that about that. Another reason, and I would say I love my M4 iPad Pro, is the gaming. I have Xbox Game Pass on here. I have Apple Arcade on here. And I also have a Steam account. Like, a lot of people say, oh, how you consider gaming on the iPad? You can't game on the iPad. Yes, I can game on the iPad. I got games like Grand Theft Auto 3, Resident Evil 2, Resident Evil Village, Resident Evil 3, 4, so on, all the Resident Evil, NBA 2K. Like, I can't go wrong with this. Like, how can I go wrong? Like, literally. Like, come on. We just went from Grand Theft Auto to 2K, and I'm still on my iPad. Come on, even Call of Duty Mobile. Like, you can't go wrong. You can't say Apple doesn't have options. It has options. It's just, are you going to go with those options or not? I love drawing on the M4 iPad Pro using Procreate. Like, look at those colors. Look how those colors pop. Look how they stand out. Can't go wrong. I just love my M4 iPad Pro.